Now it's time for Getting Legal with Tim Misny.
Good morning, welcome to another edition of Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Tim, back at the diner on 55th Street. We've been discussing brain injury cases.
Yes.
Cases of brain damage in kids. And I guess if there is a parent out there who has a kid who has a birth injury, why would they not call you?
In those cases where the parent knows for a fact that their child has suffered a brain injury during birth or immediately after birth, typically the reason why they may not call me is because they have been told by a healthcare professional that the baby's brain injury was unavoidable.
And is that always the case? Is that true?
Jason, I can tell you with absolute certainty that is not always the case.
And I guess how long does a person have to contact you or to bring a case?
Well, in most negligent cases, there's a 2-year statute of limitations. In medical malpractice, which birth injury cases fall under, there's a 1-year statute of limitations. But it's very important, Jason, to note that the statute runs 1 year after the child's 18th birthday. So the child has until they're 19 years of age, and in some situations, we could even extend that statute beyond.
So if there's a parent out there who has a child with a brain injury, what should they do?
Jason, I don't care if the child's brain injury occurred yesterday or 20 years ago. They need to call me directly.
And what will you do?
I'm going to meet with them personally. We're going to get all the medical records together, and I'm going to tell them the truth. People hire me, not me to tell them what they want to hear. They hire me to tell them the truth. And I find the truth out by getting all the medical records, getting other independent expert opinions, and then we'll know exactly what we're dealing with.
All right, and your number to call?
1-800-55-MISNY.
And you can visit you at misnylaw.com.
Thank you, Jason.
Thanks, Tim.
Thanks for watching. This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny, sponsored by Misny Law.